Exams can be a barrier in achieving your academic objectives. I mean, who wants to sit still for 2 to 3 hours and recall an entire course to the best of their ability? But what if there was a way to train your body and your mind to succeed in an exam environment? Introducing the 2-hour study session, a technique that maximizes productivity and prepares your body and mind for the potential stressors of an exam. Using this strategy will have you feeling confident in your knowledge of course material and help you learn extended focus so you can concentrate for the duration of the exam. Finn is the master of exam prep. Let's look at how they use the 2-hour study session to get into finals mode. Finn divides their studying into 3 general steps: before, during, and after their study session. Number 1. Before. Prior to even opening a book, Finn is sure to create their ideal study space. To set themselves up for success, they try to enter their study time well rested and in a comfortable spot. Next, Finn creates a clear objective of what they want to accomplish over the 2 hours they will be studying. They go through their lecture notes and textbook and highlight concepts they found difficult throughout the course. Finn then uses those concepts to outline what they want to focus on and for how long. By putting emphasis on lectures or chapters they need more time with, Finn is able to use their 2 hours in a way that is productive for their own learning. Note: be sure to set realistic objectives. You should be able to spend the time you need on each concept within the 2-hour period. Last, Finn is sure to set a clear start time to avoid procrastinating and tries to dodge going over their 2-hour mark so they don't get overtired. Number 2. During. Finn knows that getting distracted while trying to concentrate isn't a comment on intelligence and that it just takes practice to master staying focused. So, to better simulate an exam environment, Finn turns off their phone and uses blocking apps to avoid being distracted by social media. Because this isn't always easy, Finn likes to make plans to see their friends directly after their study session. That way, they have incentive to make the most of their study time. By trying their best to focus on the material they're studying, Finn is successfully training themselves in prolonged, uninterrupted concentration, a crucial skill to exam taking. Number 3. After. As soon as Finn has completed their study session, they evaluate what they have achieved. Did they spend more time on some subjects rather than others? Did they spend less time on some topics than they thought they would? By asking themselves these questions, Finn is able to increase their awareness of what they already know and what they need to work on. By judging their own understanding of course material before a professor does through a test or exam, Finn gives themselves the best chance at success. Finn then uses their knowledge on what topics are more complicated for them to outline their next study session. If there are topics they didn't get to before their time ended, they make a note to cover them in their next 2-hour session and are sure to adjust the amount of material they are trying to cover. Note: if you don't get through your study outline as quickly as you wanted to, try to remember that we don't work the same way every day and that different factors can affect our performance. Let's review. Number 1. Try to simulate an exam environment with a clear start and end time to best train your body and mind. Set straightforward and reasonable study objectives that center on the topics that are challenging for you. Number 2. Eliminate distractors and create incentive to succeed. Number 3. Evaluate your performance and use that knowledge to inform your next study session. Reassess what reasonable goals are for a 2-hour study period and be forgiving if you can't cover everything. It takes a lot of practice to master prolonged concentration, but by using the 2-hour study session technique, you'll be on your way to better understanding course material and thriving in an exam format, just like Finn.